Hi everyone, good day. So ayun nga no, nag-brand out. Kaya a day in a life muna tayo, brand out edition.
Heart that's full of blank, a landfill, a job that slowly kills you, bruises that won't heal.
Hi, kamusta? Sa mga college student dyan, kaya pa ba? Para sa inyo to, dear self, alam kong pagod ka na sa sarili mo, sa mga pagkakamali mo sa buhay. Alam kong ginagawa mo ang best mo, pero sa huli, sablay pa rin. Pero okay lang yan, sana tibayin mo pa, sana huwag kang susuko. Hindi mo naman kailangan magmadali, at hindi mo rin pwedeng ipilit ang mga bagay na imposibleng mangyari. Enjoy mo lang ang buhay mo ngayon. May tamang panahon para sa mga bagay na ninanais mo.
Surprises. Waiting beneath the rain. It's a feeling.
The essence of life in the process of self-discovery and self-creation. By embracing the power to shape our own destinies and define who we are, we can find meaning and fulfillment in the act of creating our unique selves. And that's why, always remember, life is not about finding yourself. It's about creating yourself. And always remember that.